Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up OBS Studio for high-quality screen recording. Whether you're planning to make tutorials, capture gameplay, or simply save what's happening on your desktop. By the end of this video, you'll have the foundations to record your screen smoothly and confidently every time. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is tell OBS what you actually want to record. Inside OBS Studio, look toward the bottom of your window for the box labeled Sources. This is really the heart of how OBS knows what goes into your recording. Click the little plus sign. It looks just like a plus icon. And choose Display Capture from the menu that pops up. Go ahead and give your new source a name, or just leave it as the default, then hit OK. Now, a pop-up window is going to appear. Here, you'll actually pick which screen you want to record, especially handy if you have more than one monitor hooked up. Take a look at the Display drop-down menu. Select the specific monitor you want to capture. If you're not sure which is which, OBS usually gives you a preview in the little box below. Just select the right one. If you want your viewers to see your mouse cursor as you move around, which is especially helpful for tutorials or walkthroughs, make sure that checkbox, Capture Cursor, is ticked. If you'd rather keep your mouse out of sight, simply uncheck it. Once you're happy, click OK. With your screen source all set, it's a good time to make sure your recordings are being saved exactly where you want. In the bottom right corner of OBS, click the Settings button. Next, jump into the Output tab. Here, you'll find a section labeled Recording Path. This lets you choose where OBS will save your video files. I highly recommend picking a folder that's easy to remember. Maybe something right on your desktop or a dedicated OBS Recordings folder. Just click Browse, select your folder, and confirm. And while you're here, take a minute to look at the recording quality and file format options. For most people, the default settings are great, but if you know you need higher quality for video editing later, or if you want to save hard drive space by lowering the quality just a bit, don't be afraid to experiment with these options. OBS is very flexible, and nothing is set in stone. You can always come back and tweak these settings later. Alright, now it's time for the fun part. Recording your screen. In OBS's main window, check to make sure everything looks correct. Your display preview should show what you want to capture. When you're ready, hit the Start Recording button. This button is usually at the bottom right, and once you click it, OBS quietly gets to work in the background, saving everything on your selected display. When you've finished recording, maybe after demonstrating your process or showing off a quick gameplay moment, go back to OBS and click Stop Recording. It's completely normal if there's a small delay before the button becomes clickable again. That just means OBS is wrapping things up. To find your new recording, head up to the top menu, click File, and choose Show Recordings. Your video file will open right up in your chosen folder, ready to be watched, edited, or shared. And that's all there is to it. OBS Studio may look a little intimidating at first, but once you know where everything is, setting up for screen recording is quick and painless. If you found this walkthrough useful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or have a specific topic you'd like a deeper dive on, let me know down in the comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.